say the earlier you wake up, the more successful you're gonna be. I don't know if you guys can see that over there, but that's a Ferrari. Man, that zoom is terrible right there. Alright guys, we're here at the DMV. I don't know if I can really show you much, but yeah, I can't really show you my documents over here, but let's just say I got all my paperwork and I'm just waiting for them to come check the VIN on this car. Once they check the VIN on this car, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and wait for hopefully not that long. I mean, there's a lot of cars and it's like, I don't understand why there's so many people at the DMV all the time, but yeah, we're just gonna wait for all this stuff to get processed. Well, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna wait till prayer. I'm gonna head to prayer at like around 12, and then once I get back from prayer, we'll start working on some mods. Maybe like a charge pipe, intercooler, you know, something. All right, guys, car is parked right now. I'm going into the DMV. Got all my paperwork, so it's looking good. It's looking promising. Is finally registered. Look at that. That is a legal car that is fully insured right here, boys. We're gonna go out on mods. Hopefully we can start doing something when I get back home after prayer, but of course we gotta go thank God for our blessings.
My heart, you think you really own me? Not a start, still feels like the old me. Cause I've been feeling down, 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 down. Then I wake up, I'm tired of running round, 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 round for the fake stuff. Okay, back when I was young, I had people looking down on me. Now I'm growing up, now I'm trying to live so free. People never saw me for who I was. I'm just trying to get it, no, not because.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know I got a lot of other clips before today, and I wasn't able to actually record what was going on. So we got the car registered. Ended up unplugging the purge line, and I actually do not have a service engine light whatsoever, even unplugging the purge line. And it passed Smog, got my tags, got my plates, which means this car is legal. So in that case, as a 335 owner, you know, doing what's right, we're gonna go ahead and change everything here. We're gonna go ahead and install a new charge pipe. I'm gonna install a new intercooler down there. I'll probably replace all these vacuum lines with upgraded, thicker vacuum lines, so you know we don't crack them or anything will actually boost in pressure, or anything like that. I don't know what I'm saying exactly, guys, but you'll know down the road, and I'll learn down the road. And then, of course, probably this video, I'm gonna throw on the hood that's been long awaited. You guys know that this car has an LCI hood that I bought, and I actually want to replace this hood and put it on the 330i, the other car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the mods in a little bit.
Jaded, seems like everybody wants a problem. I'm not trying to solve them. Cause I've been feeling down, 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 down. Then I wake up.
We'll get the hinges off and everything a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and mount the other hood, and then we're gonna align the hinges and where it clicks best, you know?
Cause I've been feeling.
Damn, bro, this looks like a monster. Just leave it like this, honestly.
I'm tired of running round, 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 round for the fake stuff. Well, I've been running hopelessly. Seems like everybody's still staring at me. You're faker than MTV, and you don't choose your words carefully. Well, I've been running hopelessly.
Hey, shoot. It looks damn good to me.
Slam it?
Yeah, it looks perfect, doesn't it?
Yeah, dude. Slam it.
Oh, hold on, no, it doesn't have hinges.
Oh.
Alright, so now it's time to get all the hinges, put all those suckers on, and then hopefully, honestly, I think we got lucky on it.
I've been running round, 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 round round for the fake stuff. Cause I've been feeling down, 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 down. Then I wake up. I'm tired of running round, 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 round for the fake stuff.
Alright boys, so I'm going to drop this a little bit slow just to make sure the hinges don't break anything and make sure everything's aligned properly. But we're going to test fit it right now. Good. Looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and slam it now. Oh, that's looking fine. Oh my lord, that's perfect right here, perfect right here. This one could be a little bit, I'll just work, can you pop over the hood real quick? Man, guys, once I clean this, you guys are gonna see how beautiful this looks. We'll clean it up for you guys, but that's looking gnarly. Oh my god. That's crazy. Go ahead and tighten that up real quick. Perfect, all right. We're in business, guys. That's perfect fitment. If you guys look across the entire creasing of the whole, like the gaps are on point. Like there's no issues with the gaps. This is first try. So, all right, so I forgot the guy who sent these out to me. And I know I feel bad. So the person who sent this out to me, reach out to me on Instagram again. I don't delete my messages, so reach out to me and I'll check the previous messages, or if you're the one that sent them to me. And I'll make sure to put your name in the back of the car with everybody else's. I really do appreciate you sending out these girls. That will literally complete the whole front end LCI conversion. So, you know, after a good day of smog and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and complete this conversion. Don't worry, guys, I will end up getting these blacked out like everything else, but dude, that's already looking crazy. Like I haven't had grills on these in this car ever since I got it, pretty much. Close the hood now. Definitely needs to get painted. I mean, but you guys, look at the gaps. Like the gaps just look so good.
Dude, the chrome's actually nice.
Yeah.
We'll clean up the car, we'll see how it looks, but I mean, I'm probably going to end up doing a chrome delete just for the, you know, slick look.
Looks like a 5 Series.
Anyways.
No offense.
Yeah, good. No offense, because it's actually an offense. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead, probably wash up the hood and everything. I do have a lot planned to do with like other mods and stuff, but that does have to go in future videos. If you guys can get this video to like 250 likes, I'll get the next video out in like a day or two. So it will be mods in the next couple of videos, but I promise, you know, Burger Tuning to get their products in a separate video. So that's what I'm going to do for them because, you know, they really hooked it up and, you know, I'm just doing what's right. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. 250 likes means a video in 1 to 2 days. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Remember to stay humble and make sure to join the Patreon down below. And go focus.
Josh on a fucking beat.